Reassembling your HyperX QuadCast microphone onto its stand is a straightforward process. First, ensure the stand is placed on a stable surface and the microphone is powered off and disconnected. Align the threaded base of the microphone with the central mount on the stand. Gently screw the microphone onto the stand clockwise until it's hand-tight, usually 2 to 3 full turns. Avoid over-tightening to prevent damage to the threads. Finally, adjust the microphone to your preferred angle and reconnect the USB cable. Test the connection to ensure clear audio output. To ensure the longevity of your quadcast and stand, always align the microphone's base threads correctly to prevent cross-threading. Test the setup on a flat surface to guarantee balance and stability. Use the stand's cable clip to manage the USB cable for a cleaner setup. Position the microphone with the LED indicator facing you and select the appropriate polar pattern for optimal performance. Regularly check for dust on the microphone capsule and clean it with a soft brush. Following these tips will help maintain your microphone and ensure consistent performance.